Hey guys, it's me Stacy. Welcome back to another Cricut video. Today we are doing our Making on Monday project, and today we're making this really simple, somewhat simple Father's Day card. So there's the front of it there, using a Cricut marker tool. We have little ties. Then we have the inside, which is just a piece of white cardstock. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. The computer, I'm already logged into Design Space. You want to go where it says Cricut Access and then click on View All. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in the word Father and then click on Enter. And the card we are making is this one here. It's Happy Father's Day. Going to click on that. This will bring up a preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. Alright, so we have the card base, the card front, and the layer, and also our envelope. I'm going to go ahead and delete the envelope. I didn't cut that out. Take the top piece. Now this piece does use the marker tool. I'm going to right click on that and choose Send to Front. And then this piece here, I'm also going to right click on that and choose Send to Front. Now they had this sized to where it covers the entire half of that card base. I'm going to go ahead and resize it. So I have this piece selected. The very top toolbar, you want to unlock the lock. I made the width here be 4.75 and the height is 6.75. I think that fits better there. And then we can bring this piece on top of that one. Let me right click on it again and choose Send to Front. So it gives us a much more uniform layer. Now this piece, I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece out in gray and also a piece out in white. And I'm going to use my trimmer to do that. I can save some time there. All right, so now we have the card base, the card front, and our tie pieces. Go to the upper right hand corner, click on Make It. Now what I did is I put all my ties on the same mat. So I'm going to go to mat 3, grab that tie. I'm going to move object to mat 1. Click Confirm and do that for the other ties as well. Just click on them. Move object to that mat, confirm. So now we have 3 ties on this piece. Then we have our white piece there. And we have the blue tie over here. I'm going to do the same for that one. Move object to that mat. So now all of my ties are on the same mat, and I just used 4 different pieces of pattern paper, and I just put the ties in all the 4 corners. That way you save some time. So mat 1 will be your tie pieces. Mat 2 will be your white piece. Again, that's using the Cricut marker tool. Then mat 5 is the card base. Going to click on Continue, cut it out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. So we have our card base here. I already went and folded that in half. Then we have our 3 pieces. Our white piece for the inside, a gray piece, and the piece that the Cricut did. I'm going to take my white piece and glue that on the inside. I'm using the Scotch Advanced Tape Glider, otherwise known as an ATG. I got it from Michael's years ago. Alright, so that's going to go on the inside. Pretty simple. It's a good sized card too. Alright, then we have this piece. We're going to go ahead and put that on the front. And then we're going to work with our tie. Alright, so we have that. Now we're going to set that aside. Now we have our tie pieces. Just go ahead and fold all those in half. Another option here you can cut out all the ties in a white cardstock and have the little ones decorate the ties. That'll be really fun for Dad. Alright, so they're all folded. Now the easiest way I found to make the hanger is using a paper clip. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the paper clip because it already had that straight edge and it already somewhat forms a hanger like that. I'm going to take the longer piece and pull that all the way up. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, and now I have my hubby's pliers here. I'm going to squish it down a little bit and just wrap it around the hanger. Of course, if you have wire, you could use that as well. I didn't have any wire. So I'm just going to kind of twist it. Doesn't need to be perfect. And take this part and bend it down to form the hanger. Just kind of straighten it out a little bit. Just kind of squishing that other piece there. So it's not completely centered, but I think it's fine for a little homemade hanger, right? Just kind of straighten it out a little bit so it's not so wobbly. Okay, I like that one. I'm going to try it again. So again, just take the paper clip, open it up like that because you already have that straight edge. Bring this piece over and kind of wrap them together if you can. This one looks like it's going to be more centered. Okay, so now I'm just going to bring this piece up like that. Kind of straighten it out. This is a really thick wire. I'm going to kind of squish this one. There we go. And then bend this one to form the hanger part. You could also put it around something so it forms that perfect circle, but I'm okay with it not being perfect. Okay, so that one, the hanger is more perfect, the hanger part. Okay, just trying to get it to where it lays somewhat flat. So I'm going to go with this one. All right, now, let's go ahead and bring this over. I'm going to use a liquid glue, just art glitter glue. I'm going to take our ties, put up over the hanger, and I'm only putting glue on the tie. Just this part. Not up toward the top, this way we can still move it if we need to. Okay, get it all lined up. Alright, there's that one. Let's do this one. So the hardest part of the entire card is the hanger. And I just found some kind of print that looked like it would be good for a tie. But I think this would be really fun for the little ones to have them decorate the paper. Because you just cut out all your tie pieces in a white cardstock and have them decorated with markers, crowns. That'd be really fun too. Okay, so we have our ties on our hanger, and you can see we didn't glue them, so they're nice and loose. Now to attach the hanger to the card, we're actually going to use foam squares. I'm going to attach this piece first. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do 2 of these little foam squares in all the corners, and a few in the middle as well. Okay, give them a squish. Take the backing off of all those. Now we'll attach this to the front. Alrighty, just gonna put this, oops, on the front of the card, Stace. See that? I almost put it on the inside. On the front. Alright, now we're gonna do the same thing with our tie. Just attach some foam squares to the back of this. To each tie piece. Give all of them a squish, take backing off, and we're going to use that to attach that. This we don't need to put any glue on the hanger, because you would definitely see that. Okay, and then just, I'm going to kind of flip them up, see where I want them to go without them sticking. So I'm going to put this one here, and then grab this one on this side. Oh, I can go a little bit higher, I think. So I don't want to press down all the way on them. Okay. I think there is going to be good. So I'm going to hold my hanger and then just position these guys around. There we go. Isn't that cute? I mean, the hanger is kind of floppy, but I think the hanger is fine. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Maybe, you know what, maybe you are better off putting some glue in there because the hanger does tend to drop. On this one, I thought I made a mistake by putting glue at the very top, but you can see my hanger doesn't move, so I do recommend that. Put glue all the way to the top of the tie when you put it on. That way it does stay. But I think I can flip it over and put some glue behind here, behind each little tie, to kind of hold them down a little bit. Yeah, a little better. So yeah, when you guys are putting your ties on, just make sure you glue all the way up to the neck part of the tie. But anyway, there you have it. So a simple Father's Day card, right? I think it's really cute. Anyway, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.